Hi, welcome to Quantum Control's Drive Asset Management System tutorial video. This system is unique to Quantum Controls. This asset management system is available to be used by all of our service contract customers, and I am here today to explain to you how it works and how to navigate it. The best part about this system is you can gain access anywhere in the world and can use a tablet, computer or smartphone. To log into the CRM, simply visit our website at www.quantumcontrols.co.uk. Simply select DAM's login in the top right corner of the website. You will then be directed to a login portal. Input your username and password to gain access to your business account. Let's take a look at how to access job inquiries. Simply select Inquiries, then Jobs, and you can select what job you're looking for. Once you have selected the specific job you are looking for, you can then find the engineer report linked to that specific job. You have the ability to export your photos of work completed on site, as well as export inspects and job sheets here. To find your full Drive assets list, simply select Inquiries and then Equipment. You can input the specific equipment number that you are looking for. You also have the option to search by serial number, by inputting your serial number in the search field. When looking for your inspections reports, simply go to your job details page. Select View Inspections. This will take you to a portal that allows you to select the specific inspection you are looking for. Once selected, this will take you to a document with the full report on it. This is a downloadable and savable document. When looking for your site reports, the process couldn't be more simple. All you need to do is visit the Reports tab. That will then take you to your reports portal. On the drop-down menu under Reports, select Equipment List. For this example, under the drop-down menu for Site, we will select our head office as the main site. Once you have done that, just click View Report, and the required site report will pop up so you can download or save it. The whole CRM system is completely geared to making your life much easier on a day-to-day basis. A great addition to this, if you haven't got time to access the system for any reason, we can automate an email system, which will go straight into your inbox. If you do require any further help, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us.